Hi, how are you? Welcome to Photon Academy. In this session, let us see some more problems on the vectors. The first problem I take up is A bar, B bar, and C bar are vectors having having magnitudes of 100 units, 100 units, 100 units. All of them have the same magnitude, 100 units. Inclined to the x-axis, inclined to x-axis, 45 degrees, 135 degrees, and 315 degrees, respectively. Add the vectors. This is add the vectors. Observe all the three vectors having the same magnitude, 100 units. They are making with respect to x-axis. 45 degrees. A bar is making 45. B bar is making 135 with respect to x-axis. C bar is making 315 degrees with respect to x-axis. All are with respect to x-axis. Now he says add the vectors. What is the meaning of adding vector? He says resultant. Adding means result. He is asking us the result. Clear? Let us solve this problem. Let me take up the help of the xy axis, x-axis, y-axis, origin. Now, first vector is, what is the first vector? First vector is A bar. A bar is inclined 45 degrees. So this is A bar, 45 degrees angle with respect to x-axis. Second, B bar. B bar is how much? 135. B bar is 135. B bar is 135 with respect to x-axis, 135 degrees. Now the C bar. C bar is 315. This is 90. This is 180. This is 270. This is 315. 270 plus 45 means it is 315. This is the C bar vector. The entire angle with respect to x-axis, totally 315 degrees. 315 degrees. Clear? 315 degrees. How the clarity? A bar, B bar, C bar are making 45, 135, and the 315 with respect to x-axis. Now I want to simplify this. Just I would like to redraw the diagram. See, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Let us say A bar is making 45 degrees already given with respect to x-axis. Now, what is B bar? B bar is making 135 degrees. 135 degrees with respect to x-axis. Means with respect to y-axis is how much making? If I deduct this 90 degrees out of 135, if I deduct this 90 degrees, what is this angle? This angle becomes 135 minus 90, means 45 degrees. With respect to y-axis, B bar is making 45 degrees. Similarly, C bar, this is C bar. With respect to x-axis, it is completely making 315 degrees. But with respect to this x-axis, in this direction, it is how much it is making with respect to x-axis in this direction. Okay, 315. This is the entire thing is 360 degrees. Now this is how much? 45. This is how much? This is the anti-clockwise direction. This entire thing is 315 is making completely. Now this remaining angle is how much? That is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Have the clarity. So A bar is making with respect to positive x-axis. Positive x-axis, that is 45 degrees. Okay. And this B bar is also making with respect to y-axis 45 degrees. C bar again making 45 degrees. This one, this is also 45 degrees. With respect to y-axis, with respect to x-axis, both are 45, 45. All are 45 degrees, either with respect to x-axis or with respect to y-axis. Clear? No. Observe. Observe. Now we need the resultant of these three. Resultant of these three. Observe. X-axis, y-axis, origin. I take up the first vector only, A bar. How much? 45 degrees. Now I need its x component. X component. What is its x component? X component of horizontal component of A bar. Horizontal component. A bar into cos 45. A bar modulus of A bar into cos 45. What is the magnitude of A bar? 100. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So 100 by root 2 units. This is the x component of the A bar. Similarly, what is its y component? Y component or vertical component of A bar is modulus of A bar. Immediate this is cos. This vertical becomes sine. So sine 45. Sine 45. So modulus of A 100, sine 45, 1 by root 2. So units. So both x component of A bar, y component of A bar put together are 100 by root 2. 100 by root 2. Positive. This is positive axis. This is also positive axis. Clear? Now let us take up the second. Second one is, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now, what is the vector given? Vector is B bar. This is B bar. B bar is making 45 degrees with y-axis. This angle is also automatically 45 degrees. Now, I am splitting the B bar into components. B bar into components. X component, horizontal component of B bar, modulus of B bar. Observe, immediately with respect to x-axis, how much it is making horizontal? 45 degrees. So, how much it is? Cos 45. Cos 45. And what is the magnitude of B bar? Again 100. Cos 45 is 1 by root. But be careful. Its direction is this side. This is B. towards negative axis. So it is minus. Is minus. With respect to direction, it is minus 1 by 2. Understand? Okay? Direction is towards this side. Similarly, the y component of b bar. How much? Modulus of b bar, magnitude of b bar into that is cos 45 is x component. Automatically, it becomes sine. Vertical component is sine 45. So this is 100, magnitude 100, sine 45 root. Observe, its y component is towards positive y-axis. So it is positive. It is positive. X component is horizontally is negative direction of x, and vertically is towards positive y-axis. So have the clarity. Be careful about the directions of the vectors. Coming to the third vector. Third vector is, this is the x-axis, y-axis, horizon. This is the vector c bar. Observe, this is y bar, negative y-axis, negative y-axis. Now, this is making 45 degrees here, as well as 45 degrees here. You can make use of any 45. Be careful, any 45. Now I am splitting. I want to split. So x component of c bar, x component of c bar. This c bar is x component of c bar. You can make use of this theta, choice is yours. If I take up this theta, here, this with respect to vertical. Okay, automatically x component becomes c cos 45. Even if I take this also, x component is c cos 40. So x component is modulus of c bar cos 45. C bar modulus is 100 units, cos 45 root. Have the clarity, this x component is, this is x component. This x component is, x component of c is towards positive x-axis. So it is positive. 100 by root 2 units. Now I want the y component. I want the y component of c bar Clear? Now, what is y component? Modulus of c bar. This is the angle I have taken it. So c into y component becomes sine 45. Sine 45. Have the clarity always, if this is a vector, if this is the axis, horizontal axis, this is the theta, immediate horizontal component with which the angle is making cos, and remaining vertical becomes sine. So sine 45. So magnitude of c bar is 100, and this is sine 45, 1 by root 2. And be careful, here this y is towards negative axis, negative y-axis. So direction is minus 100 by units. Clear? Now, to have the resultant, I sum up all the forces. If I say the vector forces F, all the components, x components, x, subscript x, sum of all the a bar, b bar, c bar forces, vectors along x-axis. Okay, component of x component of a bar, x component of b bar, x component of c bar, sum up. What will become? X component of a bar, how much we got? X component of a bar is how much? That is 100 by root 2, 100 by root 2. Clear? And the x component of b bar, negative direction, 100 by root 2 minus negative direction. X component of C bar, X component of C bar positive 100 by root 2. So this goes, finally it becomes 100 by root 2 units. Sigma of Fx. Similarly, I need sigma of Fy. F stands for forces of all the vectors, A, B, C vectors along y-axis, vertical component. Sigma shows sum. Sigma shows sum. So component of A bar along vertical axis, component of V bar along vertical, component of C bar along vertical, along y-axis, y components. So first one is, what is the component of the X 100 by root 2, positive only. B towards positive only, 100 by root 2. But C is negative. C is negative towards negative axis. Y component of C is towards negative axis. So this goes. This becomes 100 by root 2 units. That is sigma Fy. This is sigma Fx. Both are 100 by root 2, 100 by root 2 units. Now, what is the resultant? Resultant is what? Resultant F of all the vectors, sigma of Fx square plus sigma of Fy square is equal. So 100 by root 2 square plus 100 by root 2 square under root. So finally, it becomes on simplification, it becomes 100 units. 100 units. This is magnitude. This is magnitude of resultant. Magnitude of resultant. Yeah. Yeah. Now, what is direction? The direction also I need. Direction of resultant. Direction of resultant. Then direction is tan theta. Sigma of all the y components, sigma of all the x components. Y components, you know, that is 100 by root 2 sigma, and x components 100 by root 2. So this goes, theta is 45 degrees. 45 degrees with respect to x-axis. With respect to x-axis. Yeah, that is the theta. Okay, hope you have understood. Thank you very much for your cooperation and encouragement. I expect same kind of encouragement in the future also. Please subscribe the channel, like it, and share it. Thank you.